Now don't get me wrong, I am good to keep going, but the bike, it's just too tired. Good morning, everyone. So, welcome out. I finally got the bike out for an adventure. Today, we have made our way out to a place called Undulla Road. If you want to know where that is, probably best way I can describe it. If that's Australia, we're probably about there. I mean, otherwise you can probably just look it up on Google Maps or something like that. But the sun has just came up. I have just hit the dirt in the last 10 minutes and I'm going to take you guys along and we're going to go find out what's out here. Hopefully find somewhere nice to sit back and warm up, and yeah, we'll see if there's anything worth knowing about down this road, which honestly I don't know, but I wanted to film something and this is the closest dirt road to where I live. Alright, I'll warm my hands up, warm my face up. Don't wear an open face helmet in like single digit temperatures, it's not fun. And I will, well, let's get going. So I've been going for an hour or two now. This road is just really a dirt road. It can get a bit soft in sections, which is kind of fun. Boris, who commented on the last video, you were right, mate. I probably need to put something on the radiators to protect them, because if she has a lie down, I am going to lose a radiator, and it's felt like I will a few times out here. I'm getting dangerously close to running out of fuel. Getting a bit worried there. I definitely don't have enough fuel to make it back the way I came, so I've got to hope that I can get out the other end of this road. There's a section up ahead that could be a bit interesting. The road's sort of been closed for years. There's a diversion you can take to get back to the main road, but I'm hoping I can actually get through the old road where it used to be. So let's go ahead and try and do that. Alright, sweet. Well, that was uneventful. Looks like this road is definitely closed. I ain't going to be getting over that. Also, unluckily for me, the missus just called. Apparently the dog got out and it's been chasing people on motorbikes. I didn't even know the dog could ride a motorbike, but I've probably got to go sort that out. So I will, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. I'll try and find somewhere new to explore for next week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.